Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete your order history on Temu. So let's get right into it. So guys, if you want to delete your order history on Temu that is currently not available on Temu, because Temu just not allowed to delete your order history, and that might be because of different reasons. It might be because of security purpose, or it might be keep track your order for the future reference. So might be a lot of reasons why this feature is not available in Temu app or Temu website. So if not, it doesn't matter, you are not able to delete your history. However, you can delete your browsing history that you can see in your profile. So here you can delete your browsing history. So just simply you have to go on your product and you will see this three dotted button over the screen, and you have to hit on delete. Once you will delete, your product will be deleted from here. So that's it guys, this is how to delete your order history on Temu. If this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe. See you guys in the next one.